nice, professional, and clean. I'm going to show you a little trick on hooking up some of these LEDs. This works for me anyway. Make sure you got an open end, something, where you can get your shrink wrap over. On motorcycles, things are always moving around a lot, and you see how minute these wires are here. So after I get them soldered into place real good, okay, and I'll take a little hot glue, JLT, just like that. And well, why do I use hot glue? Hot glue, when it gets hot, it gets pliable. That's the only thing that moves around. It will start to find the holes and reseal. As you'll see here in just a second, man, we're going to put shrink wrap over the top, but I still have to let this cool down and flip it over. Put some hot glue on the other side as well. You want it to seal. Now, not only does it seal well, but what it does is when these wires, if they get to bending back and forth like this here, it keeps these metal connections from touching. That's the big reason why I do this. So now we'll flip this over, and the back side doesn't take as much, just enough to get down in between those wires so you can create a separation that will stay. Again, I have lost my tool. It's okay, we've got one here. Yeah, I just can't do this with one hand, it's a problem. And I don't know how. Don't know how to do it any other way. I'm using two hands. Sorry I didn't get to see that. But so I'll peel that back. And when it's all said and done, it will look like this right here.